So here I am again at the same headwater stream where we're doing our research. And what you should do is to think of this portion of stream as being like a giant test tube. This waterfall that you see, that I'm pointing at right now, is the barrier to the upstream dispersal of all species of fish, save one. When we began our work, only the killifish, Rivulus hardi, was here. And so all the area that you're seeing extending above you had only one species of fish present. Further upstream are other waterfalls that are more dramatic than the one that you saw downstream. And so the area between these two waterfalls has become our experimental treatment. What we did was to go very far downstream, not downstream here, but all the way downstream where we began our journey by the bridges over the Eastern Main Road, collect guppies as juveniles, rear them to adulthood in our laboratory. Then we marked them as individuals and we pulled 2 scales from each of them so that we could fingerprint them genetically, and then we placed them into this stretch of river so that the experiment is in an area that's bounded by waterfalls on each side. Our introduction is really only in about 100 meters of stream, and what we're doing is studying the evolution of the guppies that are in this bounded portion of the stream. They're our test tube. There were guppies that were taken from a complex fish community where there are lots of predators and they suffered high mortality rates. And they were introduced into this very simple fish community where only one other species of fish was present. Their mortality rates are low and their potential lifespans are very great. And so what we're doing is evaluating what the consequences are of those changes in risk of mortality.